So this is how to buy Stellar Lumens crypto here in Canada on Robinhood. Once the app is open, go to the very bottom in the middle and press on the magnifying glass. Once you're here at the top where it says search by name or symbol, just start typing in Stellar Lumens or ticker symbol XLM. Once you see it, select it, and then at the bottom, press buy. Once you're on this page, if you go to the top right, you can see your market order. So you can do a market order in Canadian dollars or a market order in XLM or Stellar Lumens. I'll keep it at Canadian dollars for this example. Now, once that is done, you can then select how much of Stellar Lumens crypto you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $6 worth, you would do 6. If you wanted to do $3 worth, whatever, go ahead, type in the number, and then press review. Then on this page, you can review the order so you can see how much Stellar Lumens you're purchasing, the fees, as well as the cost. And if this looks good, you can go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So that is how you guys can buy Stellar Lumens crypto here in Canada on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.